A journey of a decennial year. Yes, we are Podar, standing tall. Podar International, a home for all. Katol Road, Nagpur, where dreams took flight, a decade of progress shining bright. The year 2015, memories fade, but we recall the foundation we laid. With minimal infra and admission small, yet quality education stood strong for all. The lamp we lit with passion and grace now shines through students in every space. Our very first batch, once so new, now appears for their board exams too. Building a nation, shaping the way, from one floor to two, we grew each day. The journey was tough, not always bright, but trust and effort made it right. We cherish our first annual day, our first events, our grand display. With joy and pride, no fear inside, from grade 6 we took a stride. Commitments to learning, hearts so pure, we shaped good humans, values secure. Our first batch passed with flying scores, 100%, a record to adore. This tradition of excellence, year by year, we uphold with passion, without fear. Yet every journey has its test, challenges arise, we give our best. Then one day, the world stood still, a virus came against our will. But Podar stood strong, we did not back down. With online classes, we wore the crown. From home, we learned to adapt and grow. Through every hurdle, we let knowledge flow. Not just academics, we carried on. Cultural events and sports never gone. Today our name spreads far and wide. In every field we shine with pride. Sports, culture, drama are claim. Everywhere Podar earn its fame. Students here find a family true, a bond so deep, forever new. A decade of memories, moments bright. Our Swachh School honor proves we are right. With dedication, our teachers strive, excellence in learning, keeping dreams alive. Each day, our students bring us pride. In every field, they stand beside. Over the years, we have seen them grow. Now they shine wherever they go. 6 proud batches have passed our gate, each one shaping their own fate. Our students walk their chosen ways. In diverse fields they shine and blaze. One dreams to soar, a pilot to be. Another seeks justice in law's decree. A rapper with beat-tech making waves. A singer whose voice the audience craves. Some in triple IT technology's best. Some in agriculture nurturing the rest. Mechanical engineers crafting machine. A pastry chef fulfilling sweet dreams. A BA LLB ready to serve and fight, an IT expert coding with might, an electronics engineer circuits in hand, releasing songs, taking a stand. Each one follows a path so bright, carving futures with wisdom and light. From art to science, law to flight, Podar students reach new heights. This is the legacy we proudly build, with dreams fulfilled and futures instilled. A decade has passed, but we won't rest. Podar will always strive for the best. New dreams to chase, new heights to scale. With passion and wisdom, we will prevail. Hand in hand, we march ahead with brighter tomorrows as our thread. Yes, we are Podar, proud and true, a legacy strong, forever new, and thank you.